Good morning, guys! So, today is our second day dito sa Coron, and now we're going to have our breakfast sa kanilang restaurant. So, akyat muna kami, and tingnan natin kung ano yung breakfast. Supposedly, dapat buffet style yung breakfast, pero dahil konti na lang yung mga guests, dahil nga off-season na siya, ay naka-ano na lang, plated breakfast na lang siya. So, tara, akyat tayo. So, we're here na sa 6th floor, aray. Mayroong alfresco dining. Yan. Pwede ka magkain dito if you want to. Kung gusto mo ng alfresco dining. Yan. With the mountain view. Yan. And then, here's the restaurant. Wala pa sila. Good morning. Ito ang kanilang restaurant. Where's our seat daw? Anywhere? Where do you want to sit? Sige, dyan na lang. Hanap ka na may saksakan. So, ito. Ay, parang nag-buffet style sila kasi meron dito cereals, look. Merong mga ano, oh. They have fruits, may pakwan, melon yata ito, sauces para sa bread, may sauces, ano yun palaman? Para sa bread, they have cereals, I think this is milk for the cereal, water, pineapple juice, brewed coffee, hot water. Hindi, I think hindi ito kasali. Ito yung buffet, hindi nakasali kasi nga, konti lang yung guest. At they have some, ano pa. Ayan. Mga ilang mga cereals lang nandito. So, antayin na lang natin yung iba nating kasama kasi hindi pa sila bumababa. Yan tayo. I wanna sit here. Walang ano dyan? Ha? Saksakan? yun. Yan. Pero hindi namin naakyatin kasi wala lang, ayoko akyatin dahil 722 steps na 2.1 kilometers na pataas. So, ayoko. Napagod lang tayo. So, maganda naman sa taas. Breathtaking. Kita mo yung 360 view ng Coral. There. It's not far. Tatlo lang naman kami, hindi pa mababa. Serving na. Yun pala. Kasi na-request ko ng walang ham tsaka ano Egg Benedict na walang ham and bacon. Hala, kaso hindi ano yung egg mo. Well done. Thank you so much. Egg and chicken luncheon meat. Thank you so much. Mga chinek to eh. Thank you. Thank you so much, Kuya. So, ito yung breakfast namin. We have corned beef, egg, scrambled egg, chicken luncheon meat, and then rice. Tapos meron kami pancake and egg benedict na toasted egg lang and ano yan? Poached egg. Parang poached egg na lang yan eh. So, let's have a meal, guys. Kain tayo.